I mean because we Muslims believe that there are 7 heavens, the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th heaven, which we do not know yet. And it is said that the 7th heaven is so great that all these 6 heavens will be filled in its corner. And above this 7th heaven, the angel Jibril stands under Arsh of Allah, under the throne of Allah. In the battle of Uhud, when the Prophet's teeth were broken, then Allah said, Jibril, go before a drop of the blood of my beloved Muhammad falls on the ground. And he came before a drop of the blood of the Prophet Muhammad, may Allah bless him and grant him peace, falls on the ground. So think for yourself, if Jibril came so quickly from 7th heaven to earth, then what would his speed be? Allahu Akbar. And when the messenger of Allah came up, Al-Miraj, he asked Jibril, "O Jibril, how old are you?" Jibril said, "You see the star over there, I have seen it